Hey there, today I brought 6 changes before you that just got leaked about the Z Flip 5, and trust me, each one of them is so interesting that you're just gonna love it. So first things first, the Z Flip 5 is getting a massive covered display. Yes, you heard me right. Now see, the Z Flip 5's covered display could be divided into two parts. A smaller display which can be seen inside its dual camera, which displays the clock, battery level and air emojis. However, the new leak suggests that a much bigger display of 3.4 inch could span the rest of the phone's front when it is folded. But you know what the best part is? Well, the bigger display's aspect ratio is reportedly 1:1.038, which means it is almost a square screen, which I personally feel will make it much easier to interact with notifications, quick settings and widgets without even opening the phone. And on top of that, this display can also develop as a much better camera viewfinder provided that Samsung allows it to use full-fledged apps. Other than that, this time the phone's inner display is reportedly narrower than the Flip 4, while sides of the Flip 5 seems to be a lot flatter and the edges quite rounded. But wait, if you still haven't heard of the rumored water drop shaped hinge, well, let me tell you, this is gonna make the phone completely flat when folded with no gap between the two halves of the device, and I believe it is not just about aesthetics but also will make the device compact and sturdy. That said, according to SamMobile, the Z Flip 5 is 9mm lighter than the current model and will feature the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset that we have already seen in the S23 series, which means the Flip 5 is going to be significantly more powerful than the Z Flip 4. But don't expect a massive change in the cameras though. Reports indicate that the video recording capability may be closer to that of the S23, presumably due to the better chipset, but Samsung is not believed to be considering a significant upgrade to the camera hardware this time around. So overall, it looks like Samsung has decided to make these two foldable phones for two different kind of consumers, much like it did with the Galaxy S series and the Galaxy Note. While the Flip appears to be placed as the fun, fashion, more forward-thinking phone, the Fold is a bit more serious, sober-suited sibling. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments.